Hello Team Iceland, welcome back to my channel. It is so good to be back here with you, and surprise, I'm pregnant. Hey, I'm Jeannie, and in 2014, my husband and I traveled to Iceland for our honeymoon. We fell head over heels in love with the landscapes, food, and culture, and less than a year later, we sold everything we owned and bought a one-way ticket back. Over the years, we've traveled all around this amazing country, uncovering the best road trip stops, foodie finds, and hidden gems. Now, I've made it my mission to be your one-stop resource and share what I know so that you can plan the best trip ever. Let's get into it. I am so excited to finally be able to share this news with you guys. I have been keeping it to myself for far too long. So as of today, I am 28 weeks pregnant and I am due at the beginning of November. Oh yeah, and it's a boy. So pretty soon this Icelandic Viking baby is going to be joining us and I could not be more excited. Before we get too far into this video, I wanted to say thank you so much to all of the people who reached out to me through emails and messages asking if I was okay and letting me know that you guys miss the videos and you miss all of the content from me. It's really meant a lot for me during this time to hear from you guys in this way and know that I have been thinking about you as well. I've been missing doing these videos. I love this community of Team Iceland and you guys are why I keep doing what I'm doing. So this video is meant to be a bit of a life update, catch you up on everything that's been going on in the past 3 months, let you know about the pregnancy, and then what to expect from my channel and Iceland with a View going forward. As you can imagine, being pregnant during a global pandemic has definitely been challenging. I haven't been able to visit my family. They haven't been able to come here. This has been obviously very, very sad and stressful because it's something that I have been wanting to celebrate with my loved ones for a really long time, and we can't travel. So that's just, the reality of life right now. Also, COVID has really impacted the travel industry, and hello, I'm a travel business. With fewer travelers making their way over here, I have really felt the impact and changes on my business. And obviously with that happening, there hasn't been demand for the continued content that I was pumping out so regularly each month, which, you know what, in a way maybe is a slight blessing in disguise because it has given me some time to pause. But either way, it's been so different thinking about Iceland with a View during COVID. Not to mention, we also had to move in the middle of COVID and pregnancy. That's all just to say that absolutely nothing has been normal. So it just didn't feel right to keep posting every single week and pumping out the usual content that I was doing before because tourism is down. So, as you guys might have noticed, I haven't posted a video since April, which seems like so long, but honestly, I feel like maybe the timing was a bit serendipitous because it has allowed me time to pause, time to slow down, time to enjoy being pregnant for the first time. And you might be wondering what I've been doing with all of this off time. First of all, I have been resting hardcore. I have been so tired during this pregnancy. I'm the queen of naps. I'll basically do something for a bit and then I'll lay down and take a nap. I've also been working. I'm very grateful that Iceland with a View is one of 2 jobs that I have. The other job being I'm a chiropractor. And you guys might already know that because of my story of moving to Iceland and how we're able to live and work here as Americans as it is. But irregardless, it's really been an opportunity to shift gears and I am able to focus more of my time and energy going into the clinic. And thank goodness for having that available. We've also been traveling quite a bit around Iceland. This little guy has already been to so many places, including the Golden Circle, South Coast, Ring Road, Highlands. He's a traveling man already. It's in his blood. So we have been taking advantage of fewer tourists here and seeing parts of the country that we have seen before, but then also that we haven't seen before. And it has really been fantastic to be able to go out and enjoy Iceland as it is now. P.S. There are vlogs coming up from our travels. I just haven't had the energy to sit down and edit them, but they're coming. I have also been spending some time writing. I have 2 new ebooks that are coming out, definitely that you guys have been asking for. And I've also been working on some exciting new side projects as well, and cleaning things up on my website, and all the things that go along with owning an online business. I won't bore you with. That's all to tell you that literally Iceland with a View is going nowhere. I continuously have so many ideas and exciting ways to share Iceland with you, so don't go anywhere. Fun stuff to come. With that, I thought maybe you guys would be interested in seeing a little behind the scenes look of what pregnancy has looked like up until now. I'm pregnant. It's a ball!
If you think I liked ice cream before I was pregnant, And now I'm at Reynisfjara, and I'm in the parking lot just sitting here, waiting to get the energy to walk to the beach. Pregnancy. I would just like to say that for being 6 months pregnant and hiking up here, I'm pretty effing proud of myself. This baby is pushing and pushing on my bladder, so it's just quite the experience. But I would do anything for these views. This jacket barely zips up over this belly right now.
Other than all of the challenges of a pregnancy during COVID, I have to say that I have personally been feeling great. Honestly, I've never been happier to be living in Iceland. The prenatal care here is amazing, and I'm gonna have plenty of time after the birth to spend at home with our baby. All right, let's talk about going forward, what you can expect from Iceland with a View, and all of the things. I'm not going anywhere. My passion is, and always has been, sharing Iceland with you. And my mission remains to help you plan the best trip ever. The type of content that you can expect from me going forward is a little unknown. I haven't decided what kind of videos are coming, how often they're coming, if I'm gonna be present on all social medias. That is all something that I have yet to determine. I've never been pregnant before. I've never had a baby before. And so I wanna be able to go with the flow and keep producing the content that feels right for me and then also for you guys. So if I could ask from you, if you could put in the comments below what kind of content you would like to see from Iceland with a View going forward. Obviously, the world is different. You're not able to travel here right now, but that's gonna change. We don't know how it's gonna change or when it's gonna change, but it will change. So those of you that have your heart set on Iceland and your dream trips that you're planning, you're still gonna be able to come here. So just let me know in the comments what you would like to see going forward. With that, I would love to say that we will be resuming our regular scheduled content. But I think if the last few months have taught us anything, it's that nothing is really going according to plan. So I will continue to release videos for sure, but it might not look as regular as it has been in the past. So the absolute best place for you guys to get information about planning your trip to Iceland is in my ebooks and in my online course. I have crafted those resources to be exactly what you need to plan the best trip ever. I promise I've poured my heart into those resources so that any of your questions would be answered. Also, check out all of the old videos on this channel. I have recorded a lot of videos, so you could spend plenty of time researching in the archives and making notes for your trip. You can also head to my website. I have hundreds of blog posts and detailed information that can give you Iceland planning tips. Lastly, if you aren't already signed up for my emails, I highly suggest that you sign up for that list. In those emails, I send out so much helpful information, including local tips, festivals that are going on, and discounts from local vendors here in Iceland. I'm gonna put all of the links in the description below so you guys can quickly sign up for the newsletter or grab the ebook or anything that you need. All right, guys, that is my life update. Thank you all for being here. I'm so excited to be sharing this journey and have you guys along for the ride as we start this new chapter of our lives. And I'm so excited to continue bringing you amazing Iceland content. And again, I know we're still in the pandemic, but you're gonna be here soon. And soon might be 6 months, it might be a year, but you'll be here soon. And when you do get here, it's going to be amazing. I hope you guys are all doing well during this crazy time that we're experiencing in this world. Don't forget to leave comments or questions that you have below this video, and I'll see you next time. Happy planning.